So the decision when you're finished is whether to export as a project or export as a video. You can see at the top right the blue export button, and we've got a few options. You'll want to choose video if the entire project is contained within one recording. So you might have done something like this, okay? So if you have all your steps on the same page and there's no need for the viewer to interact with the project, so you have all your steps on one page and you screen recorded and said, first fold the top corners to the middle, then fold in half. Next, bring the top edge down to the bottom. Maybe you even scrolled in and out on each step while you were reading those steps. And then you come back to the centered version and you're done. Well, then that is that's all in one video, right? So you could export as a video. But if instead you had separate steps or separate videos that the viewer has to interact with, so in this case, you might have the first step. First, fold the top corners down to the middle crease. And then you make the viewer click next down here in the bottom right. And then you record another video, another screenshot here. Then fold the paper in half along the crease. And you stop the recording. So you've just created multiple steps that the viewer or reader has to go through, right? They'd have to start from this step, they'd have to click play, and then they'd have to go to the next one, next slide, and click play again. And then you'd want to export that as a project. And it'll keep it in the same format on Explain Everything. So then the person just has to have Explain Everything on their own iPad in order to view your project.